Want all your important links in one place with a stunning design and for free. Let me show you how to set up your very own Linktree profile in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to the Linktree website and create your free account. It only takes a minute. Step 2. Choose your username. Pick a username carefully. This will be part of your personal link, so make sure it's unique and represents you or your brand. Step 3. Customize your profile. Select a style that matches your vibe. Even with the free plan, you get some cool themes and layout options. Want to go further? You can even design your own interface to reflect your brand perfectly. Add your links. Paste all your important links. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, portfolio, online store, you name it. Just drag and drop to reorder them anytime. And that's it. Now you've got a clean, professional-looking link hub to share everywhere.